Welcome to Buy Wholesale Cabinets. Today, we are going to be putting together our Easy Reach Base 36, or what we call ERB 36. This cabinet consists of 2 doors and 1 shelf. The step-by-step instructional will give you everything you need to put this cabinet together. The tools you'll need for this assembly are a box cutter, a rubber mallet, wood glue, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a power drill with the Phillips head drill bit. Here are the tools you will need to assemble our frameless cabinets: the cam lock nuts, the cam lock screws, the shelf pegs, the rubber stops, the dowels, the door hinges, the 5/8 inch screws for your hinges. Now, take each side panel of the box and insert the cam lock screws. Here's a pro tip: place the cam locks in position first, then tighten them later using a power drill. Once that's done, add some glue into the remaining pre-drilled holes where the dowels will go. After applying the glue, insert all of the dowels and put a bit more glue on top of each dowel. Once that is done, begin by inserting the bottom panel. All of the pieces will fit as seen in the video. A tip is that the large cam lock screw holes will be facing outward. Then, grab the other side panel and connect both sides together. Make sure each part is aligned with the dowels and screws. After everything is aligned, grab the cam lock nuts and secure the cabinet in place using your power drill in each of the large pre-drilled holes bent for the cam locks. Once this is completed, slide in your back panel. For the frameless drawer build, we'll start by attaching the soft close drawer glides. Position each glide into the corners of the drawer opening and securely fasten them with three 5/8 inch screws, one at the front, one in the middle, and one at the back. Now we are going to set up the hinges on the doors. There are four hinges, and we will use 5/8 inch screws to secure them. Once the hinges are secured, it's time to adjust them. You want the hinges to have some give, as shown in the video. Sometimes the hinges may disconnect during transportation, and if this happens, you can reconnect them as demonstrated. Start by installing the top hinges into the side panel, and then do the same for the bottom. Finally, add bumper stops to each corner of the door for a soft, secure close. Then attach these onto the side panels of your cabinet. Your cabinets will also come with shelf pegs. You'll see pre-drilled holes on each of the side panels. You may put the shelf pegs in any position of your choosing,